மாணவ செல்வங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம் கண்ணா. நாம இன்னைக்கு 9th மேத்தமேட்டிக்ஸ் ஒர்க் புக்ல இருக்கிற ஒர்க் ஷீட் நம்பர் 5க்கு ஆன்சர்ஸ் பார்க்க போறோம். We have got the questions from real numbers. First Roman, choose correct answer. First question, identify the irrational number. We have to find the square root of the given fractions. See, for 4 it is 2 by 5. For B option it is 3 by 4. For C option it is 1 by 3. But for D we can't find the square root of 5. It is so root 5 by. For 36 it is 6. These three are rational numbers. This alone is an irrational number. So D option is the right answer. Second question, choose the rational number with terminating decimal representation. We have to divide. If I divide the numbers, 2 by 7 is 0.2857142 etc. 3 by 8 is 0.375. 2 by 3 is 0.666 etc. 1 by 6 is 0.1666 etc. So this is the terminating decimal. So B option is the right answer for the second question. Third question, the decimal representation of 1 by 7 is, we have to divide this 1 by 7. While dividing, we get 0.142857. Again, it repeats with 1. So, 0.142857 will repeat again and again. This is the answer. So, we have to find this 0.42857 the whole bar. This B option is the answer for the third question. Fourth question, state which of the following statement is true. Minus 2 a rational number. 1 by 6 is also a rational number. Root 25 means we will get this as 5. That is also a rational number. But root 5 is an irrational number. Since root 5's value will be 2.236 etc. It goes on. So this D option is the answer for the fourth question. Second Roman, answer very shortly. Fifth question, write the following rational number with denominator minus 30. The first question is 2 by 3. We have to change this denominator as minus 30. Minus 30 change பண்ணனும் அப்படினா 10 ஆல multiply பண்ணனும். Simply not 10. நம்ம we have to multiply with minus 10. அப்பதான் இது minus 30 ஆகும். Denominatorல என்னவால பண்றோமோ அதே we have to do for the numerator. So we will get minus 20 by minus 30. So we have converted it. Second one in the same, minus 3 by 5. We have to convert the denominator as minus 30. In the 5 kuda 6 multiply pannatha we will get it as 30. See, already we have minus in the numerator. அதனால அது அப்படியே denominatorக்கு shift பண்ணி கொடுத்துறலாம். So this is 6 3s are 18 in the numerator and this minus sign is shifting down. We will get minus 30 in the denominator. So this is the answer for the second one. Sixth question, find the decimal expansion of 3 by 8. We have to divide this 3 by 8. So this is not divisible as it is smaller than 8. So 0. We want more number to divide. So keeping a point and adding a 0 to it. 8 3s are 24 and the remainder will be 6. As there is a decimal point, we can add on 0. 8 7s are 56. The remainder will be 4. Then as there is a point in the quotient place, we can add a 0. 8 5s are 40. So the remainder is 0. We can stop here. So 3 by 8 is equal to 0.375 is the answer for the sixth question. Seventh question, express 2.14 in the form of P by Q where P, Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. 2.14 is a decimal number. So we can write this as 214 by 100. There are two decimal places. Two decimal places இருந்துச்சுனா decimal point remove பண்ணிட்டு we can write 100 in the denominator. So we have written. We can divide the numerator and denominator by 2 since these two are even numbers. So dividing the numerator by 2, 1 times 2, 0, 7 times 14 and denominator 2 5s are 10 and the 0 again. So 2.14 can be written as 107 by 50 which is in this P by Q form. Third Roman, answer shortly. Eighth question, find 3 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Actually rational numbers அப்படினா either A by B formல எழுதலாம் அல்லது terminating decimals எழுதலாம். Actually 1க்கும் 2க்கும் நடுவுல அப்படினா there are in the number line we have, see this is 1.1, the 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, this is 1.5, This is 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9 and then 2. So there are 9 numbers between 1 and 2 which is rational. So 3 rational numbers between 1 and 2 are 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. We can take any of this 9. I have taken first 3. Ninth question, find the value of x if root 32 by root x equal to 4. So we have to take and write the question, root 32 by root x is equal to 4. Squaring on both the sides. We'll get 32 in the numerator and x in the denominator. Here it becomes 16. So in the x inga kondu porom, the 16 inga kondu varum. So parunga 32 by 16 is equal to x. Adhaadu inga irukra denominator anga numerator avum, inga irukra numerator inga denominator avum vandiruchu. So 16 2 times 32 and x value is 2. Last question, 10th. Write the following in ascending order. This is 3 root 2, 2 root 3, root 15 and it is 4. Easy way of arranging in ascending order is, முதல்ல we have to convert all the numbers in a single form. பாருங்க இந்த மாதிரி root 15 இருக்கே, அதே மாதிரி இது root குள்ளார இது ரூட்டா இதையும் ரூட்டா மாற்றணும்னா it will be easy for us to arrange in ascending order. For that, first பாருங்களேன் 3 root 2 can be written as root of 2 into இந்த 3 வெளியே இருக்கு இல்லையா, உள்ள கொண்டு வந்தா 3 square அப்படின்னு கொண்டு வரணும். Okay, so 2 into 9. 2 into 9 it is 18. So we will get root 18. Next one 2 into root 3. அதே மாதிரி இந்த 2 உள்ள கொண்டு போகும்போது 3 already root குள்ளார 3 இருக்கு. Then 2 coming inside it becomes 2 square which is equal to root of 3 into 4 and we'll get it as root 12. Next one is root 15. That can be written as root 15 as it is. Next 4 can be written as root of root இல்லாம வெறும் 4 இருக்குன்னா we can write it as root 16 இல்லையா. So 4 can be written as root 16. ஏன்னா root 16 ஓட value தான் 4 அப்படி நமக்கு தெரியும். So now we can arrange it in ascending order. Ascending order அப்படின்னா smaller to bigger னு தெரியும். இது root குள்ளார smaller number இந்த root 12. Next smaller na in the root 15. Next smaller is root 16 and this root 18. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the arrangement. So ascending order is first 2 root 3, second root 15, third one this 4 and the fourth one is 3 root 2. Thank you children.